If you can hang a picture, you can hang your new wood or faux wood blinds in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All wood and faux wood blinds have the same basic parts: the blind, valance, wand, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an inside mount wood blind. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, and that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. Some of the reasons people love wood and faux wood blinds is because they're durable and easy to clean and maintain. They're also really easy to put up. The first step is to mark where you want to place your brackets. Place the brackets in the top corners of the window like this. Use a pencil or marker to mark the locations for each screw. Pre-drill the holes and screw the brackets into place. Slide the headrail into the brackets and close the hinges like this. Now it's time to attach the wand. To do so, hook the wand onto the exposed loop. Slide the hook sleeve over the connection so that the wand cannot slip off. Next, you'll need to attach the valance. Since the valance for this product is magnetic, all you have to do is position the valance where you want it against the headrail and let the magnets do their job. Just make sure you don't place the valance too low on the headrail so that it doesn't interfere with using the wand. If you need to remove your blinds, simply remove the valance and the wand. Then, open the hinges of the brackets using a flathead screwdriver. Slide the headrail out from the brackets and you're done. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new blinds from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.